So hello everyone, I am Risal Sadiq. So let's talk about multi-line text inside UI label with image. And so we're gonna run this application. This is not calling on this stack view. We're gonna get the stack view and scroll view. We're gonna add on the scroll view user, and this is the stack view, and we did load, and we're gonna create on this. We're gonna create on this view model, title view model, okay, which have we're gonna create on this properties and which have initialized on this view model, and which have initialized on this view model. And we're gonna create on this view title image button view. This is the title image button view, and in this view we're gonna create on this. Suppose this is a title image and image content. So noise. So today I will discuss about most tricky part in UI kit. We want to design a template in which we will show on image of fixed width and height. So with a UI label of multiple line text, our UI label can be increased or decreased based on the content size, on the text size. We will use the UI stack view of horizontal axis. We will wrap the image view inside UI view so that it will be fixed about content view grow. So now first of all now we are going to begin calling on this. Sure, and this calling on this is a dynamic height view model design. We can use a title image view button. We can calling on this. So suppose this calling we're gonna create on this. Okay, we're gonna create on the lazy var. We're gonna create on this lazy var, which is title image view button. This is we're gonna create on title image view button. Okay, in this create on this view title image view button, and we have this title image view button. We can show on this is a call, so we can pass on this title image view model and title image view, which have check on this property. So title image view model in this title image view model. Okay, in this we're gonna get it title, which is type of string, image name string, border color is UI color and float and tint color and text color and font, and age insert which have top, bottom and trailing and leading. We're gonna apply on this pattern we can use of in UI age insert. Okay, which have initialize. We're gonna you can create on this initializers and initialize on your properties. Okay, so now we're gonna apply on this title. We're gonna create title. We're gonna assign on this values call car showroom, and call car showroom, which have suppose this is a call car showroom. Only one is a call car showroom. Okay, so image name is car, which I will check on this assets, and this is the image name is car. Okay, so no car, and border color is green color and border width 1, and tint color we can apply on this UI color dot green and text color dot green. So font bold system size 18.0 and age insert we will pass on this is 20. Left read boarding we can apply on this padding 20, and VM which type but pass on this view model. Okay, no calling on this view did load. So stack view dot add space. This is a 40.0 which have applied this button space, and calling on the stack view dot add arrange sub view, and this is a car showroom. Okay, we're gonna run this application. Okay, this is a car showroom and car which are in cadence car. Suppose we're gonna add on this multi-line car text, and this is a add on this multi-line text. Okay, we're gonna run on the applications. Okay, add on this is a filling on this car showroom multi-line text filling on this car showroom. Okay, so we're gonna check on this view. Okay, so tricky part is that the constraint of rows bottom should be greater, or we can pass on this. About this is a in this we're gonna create on this view title image view button view, and this view model is gonna create on the view model, and in it we're gonna have the title and image. We're gonna create an image and image view. In this image view we're gonna apply on this image view, and we're gonna create an image which have image is 24 height and width. We're gonna apply this constraint, and image view wrap on this UI view. Image view wrap on this view dot add sub image view, and you can apply the image view constraint left anchor view left anchor, and to right anchor view to top right anchor, and constraint center x, and this is the center x. Suppose this is this is a problem. Image container view which have your view, and image add on this. Suppose this is image view left anchor which have view dot left anchor, image view dot right anchor, and view dot top anchor. an image dot bottom anchor dot constants, so greater than or equal to and view dot bottom anchor. Suppose we're going to run this application. This is a text is filling, this is a text, note is a next line. So text is note line, you're going to assign this multi-line text, and this assign this multi-line text, this note line text, this is not working. So we're going to apply on this constants. Suppose this is a, we're going to apply on this constants and container view. Okay, sorry, image view. In this image view, and image view you can apply, so this is greater than equal to bottom, this is not apply, this is image view equal to bottom, and you can apply on this working. So working, apply on this container, this image container UI view, and view dot add image view, and you will update this content. So view dot bottom anchor and dot constant greater than or equal to image dot bottom anchor. This is the image dom, this is a tricky part. Tricky part is that the constant of the views bottom should be greater than or equal to image views bottom. So let's dive into it. We're going to run this application. This is multi-line text, show on this multi-line text, show on this multi-line text. Okay, show on this multi-line text. Suppose we can have a view did load and calling on this add some view. Suppose we can container view. So container view, this is a content view and container view. So in this we're going to create on this view. So we're going to, this is a tricky part. Image view, we're going to content view, create on the content view, and content view add on this insert. Suppose this is marking and insert, this add on this insert. Suppose we're going to apply on this center x center, not apply on this image view, container view, add on this container view. Suppose not apply on this in this anchor. Okay, it's working. So we're gonna suppose this is a change on this border color, we insert to 2020, 2020 about the card with is 2 and green. Suppose this is a black color, so tint color is green, tint color is green, and this text color is, so text color is black, so text color is black. We're gonna run this application, text is black. Run this car showroom, car on this multi-line text use of in this card, and this tint color, suppose this we're gonna apply tint border color is black. So in this border color is black, we shown this border color is black. It's multi-line text. Suppose this is a note is a multi-line text, it's a one line note. This is a dynamic height in this card, but note is a height within this card is. So okay, in this is dynamic, this card creating dynamic, this image is centering in this case. Suppose we can apply the multi-line text. Okay, we're gonna run this application. So in this application, so we want to discuss about most tricky part in UI kit. So we want to design a template in which we will show on image of fixed width and height, and height with a UI label of multiple line text, and this is UI label of multiple line text. Our UI label can be increased or decreased based on the content size. We will use the UI stack view of horizontal axis. We will wrap the image view inside UI view so that it will be fixed, but container view grows. And in this, suppose this we're gonna run, next is container view. Add on this kind of image is fixed, not increase of a image size, but its continuous growth, and text is multi-line text. Add on this is multi-line text. Okay, now we're gonna consider on this code. So this is a dynamic height view controller design. We're gonna create in the stack view. Add on this scroll view, and in this scroll view add on this scroll view. Okay, we're gonna create on this scroll view, add on this stack view. This is 24 margin in this stack view, and this we're gonna create instance of title image view button, which have create on this view. We're gonna create on the instance passing on this value, and this we can view did load once extension, and we can add is calling on this. So this is call on this stack view dot add as car showroom. Okay, and title image view, suppose contingent title image view, and we're going to create a view model instance and required init, calling on the required init, and title label create image view and container view. So image view unwrap on the wrapping on this container view. Suppose image is fixed and this is a wrapping view. Image container view is the largest and increase and decrease view. This is the increase and decrease. We have shown this notes. Container view, add on this. Suppose this container view, this is horizontal stack view. So title image and image container view. Note is a image view. This is the image view, add on this image container, but is image container add on this and UI stack view, and horizontal stack view. This is the container view, add on this container view and return on this container view. So container view update, we're gonna have calling on this update method which have a passing calling on the initial on this value. So title label dot view model dot title and configure the update sub views. We're gonna apply this constant on a container view. So container view, add on this 00 on this view. Okay, in this we're gonna get on this view model. So we're gonna run this application, check on this view. Okay, this show, but it's not is a one line text. Suppose this is a one line text, and so this is a one line text. Okay, and this is a car showroom. Okay, and one this is note is a multi-line text and this is a one line text. Okay, so we're going to run this applications, and this is a one line. This is a super design in this UI kit. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy my channel and like my video and share my channel.